Well, they're worn in.
Happy Memorial Day.
Why do you think? I told you they were a bad idea.
Those are vegetables?
They were. I think vegetables don't have any fat. Look at the paper towels.
Look at the way the paper towels are burning.
You two sit.
Well, what do you want me to do? Grab the paper towels?
Just now.
You grab the paper towels.
You've been only out here 5 years.
You know what? If we dose the paper towels with water, we can save one sheet at the end, but it's going to take 2 days to dry off.
Is it on?
Maybe.
Is it on?
I have just enough energy to press the on button.
I'm digging to find the magical blower.
Yeah, blower. I don't think anybody's sending you a blower.
I want more. Think maybe the intake's down here? I'd have to intake the man, whatever the heck is used below. The sides.
Feet or less. Came up behind me on Nick because I thought I got a blowout. I was driving down the road, that thing came over me at about 75 to 50 feet. From behind, I didn't see it coming. I thought my tires blew out on the back of the car. And then it came over me. I was like, holy God. And then when I pulled up from the house, everybody was out here because it was doing stunts and maneuvers down the block sideways. At about 100 feet off the ground. So, they didn't find it humorous. I thought it was cool as shit. I got here at the end. I just videotaped the last little bit when he was coming back around. But he was coming down the block sideways. I don't know.